It is hungry, so David makes food. David shares the cooking with all of his friends. Yay! On another episode of Dinner with David, we have barbecue beef meatloaves with roasted potatoes and Brussels sprouts. What do you think about that, Sammy?
I am excited as hell.
Yeah! Sammy is actually our special guest, hanging out and getting to enjoy some of the, well, hopefully it's good cooking from the Dinner with David tonight. That's what I do, cut off my friends.
I think that's a good.
I believe you. Sammy decided he was up for putting the 1.5 teaspoons in, of brown sugar in.
That's a something.
Well, it's fine. It's fine. It's everything. Yeah. We
like
really
that.
wanted a lot of, we wanted a little extra. And I think we're peppering this mixture a pinch, a big pinch. So whatever you think a big pinch is, sure, just like that. Just like, he's doing it. This guy's a natural. You should have your own cooking show.
Yeah, well, let's not push it.
Comes great responsibility.
Okay, what are you doing, David?
So we're putting the meat in the bowl. Maybe something like that. That's sort of more of a loaf.
Lovely.
Yeah. Like I know what I'm doing. Is that even half? I'm gonna feel really dumb when this is like a third of the size. And we're throwing in more pepper, maybe a little bit more salt on here. We mixed up yeah, I mean, why not? Throw it in for good measure. Make it all peppery.
Well,
Too.
Like
Is it, seriously? Hey, Sammy, can you throw a quarter of a cup of ketchup in here? And then we're throwing the whites of their eyes in here. I almost stabbed Sammy earlier. Oh, yeah. We have, the good tasting kinds. That just looks like a patty. That's a peppered like a mother. Whoa, that's a lot of salt. It's going in for another 10 minutes. Oopsies. Was supposed to put on the barbecue sauce mixture that we made over here that was really exciting. I was supposed to put it on this stuff. Well, we sort of forgot to put it like in them, so now we're just putting it on top. Hope that'll be okay. Yeah, I know. And like, hopefully it doesn't suck, but you never know. I don't know that I've only had a couple people even actually eat this food. That like, so it's on me if I suck. I'm the only one I have to complain to. But now I have, other people that I've got critics today.
It'll be great.
So I'm clearly too distracted with friends over. I was supposed to put this sweetened barbecue seasoning or whatever in with it instead of like on it like I'm doing now, and it'll be fine. It'll be great. Right, Sammy?
Now it's a garnish. Garnish.
Because I can't read, we're taking out the meat. Because the meat really does look done. Oh, yeah. And that,
David, you outdid yourself.
Well, you haven't eaten it yet. The Brussels sprouts don't look quite done. I don't know. You want to do... Honestly, do you want to throw them in for a little bit longer, or do you not?
Sure.
Well, okay. So we'll do that. Let's put this brown out. I had to put all of it in there, back in for a little bit longer. Sammy doesn't like his meatloaf raw.
Yeah.
So, but then it's kind of just ready enough that I think we're down. So let's eat. Slammy, how do you think it is? Is it pretty good?
It's wonderful. The Brussels sprouts are nice and crispy.
Yeah. Is the meatloaf done? Is it?
Oh yeah.
Ma, meatloaf.